Hello, today we are going to learn the subtopic Cramer's rule of linear equation in two variables. For Cramer's rule, we require two general equations. The two general equations are a1x plus b1y plus equal to c1. And the other equation is a2x plus b2y equal to c2. These are general equations. Okay. First we will solve with the general equation, then we will go to the examples. Now here what we have to do is, the basic thing what we have to do is, very first thing we have to find out d, then dx and dy. Then we have to find out x and y. So for d, what we have to do? For d it is a1, a2, one below the other, b1, b2. You have to multiply this. So as I have given the arrow, same way you have to go, that you have to multiply first. So it will be equal to a1 b2 subtraction b1 a2. Okay. Then we have to go for dx. For now here what you observe is, in d we have not taken the constant over here. We have taken the variable coefficients over here. Same way for dx, we will not be taking the variable coefficient of x, but we will be taking constant and the other variables. So it will be c1, c2, b1, b2. Same way you have to multiply. So it will be c1, b2 minus b1, c2. Okay. Then for dy we will not be taking the variable of the coefficient of y, but we will be taking the coefficient of x and c1. So here it will be a1, a2, c1, c2. Again cross multiply. So here it is a1, c2 minus c1, a2. This is done. Now after this, to find out x. Now d we have calculated, dx we have calculated, dy we have done. Now dx we have to calculate. So it will be dx upon d. And y will be equal to dy upon d. Now to keep this in mind, what we have to do? Now we have to remember certain things. For d, it is AB. Okay, so we can say abe. Then for dx, it is CB. We can say kabe. And for dy, it is AC. So I can say aikre. So abe, kabe, aikre. So in that way, you can remember what coefficients you have to take. So we'll start with the problem. So the problem is 5x plus 3y equal to minus 11, and the other equation is 2x plus 4y equal to minus 10. This one you have to compare it with a1x plus b1y equal to c1, and this one you have to compare it with a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So here a1 is equal to 5, b1 equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 11, a2 is equal to a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 4, and c2 is equal to minus 10. Now what we have to do? Same way you have to calculate d, dx, dy, x and y. So for d, I have told you abe. So here it will be a1, a2, b1, b2. Substitute. So this will be equal to a1 is 5, a2 is 2 below that, then b1 is 3 and b2 is 4, right? So here what you have to do? You have to multiply this. So 5 into 4 minus 2 into 3. So 5 fours is 20 minus 6. So this will be equal to 14. Next you have to go for dx. For dx it will be ka be, means c1, c2, b1, b2. Substitute the value. So here it is, for b it is for c it is minus 11, minus 10, and b is 3 and 4. Again you have to cross multiply. So it will be equal to minus 11 in bracket 4 minus of minus 10 in bracket 3. Okay, so it is minus 44, minus minus turns out to be plus, it turns out to be 30. When I subtract this, it will be equal to minus 14. Next I'll write this side so that I'll have space over here. Minus 14. Now same way for dy. Dy will be equal to, now dy ike a1 a2 c1 c1 c2. Okay, substitute the values. a1 is 5 and 2, a2 is 2, c1 is minus 11, minus 10. Again multiply. So it will be I'll do directly now. 5 tens is minus 50, minus of minus 22. So it will be equal to minus 28. So minus 50 plus 22, it is equal to minus 28. Now what I have to do? I have to go for x. So for x what I have to do? X is equal to dx upon d. So value of dx is minus 14 upon 14, that is equal to 1, and y is equal to dy upon d, that is equal to minus 28 upon 14, that is equal to minus 2. So the solution of the given equation is 1 and minus 2. Thank you.